a step-by-step guide to save for maternity leave in the UK. Calculate your expected income. Take a look at your expected income during your maternity leave, including any statutory maternity pay or employer-provided maternity leave pay. Have it all written down in one place. It can be a good idea to plan it out month by month, as the amount you will receive will change over time, often getting less and less. And it's good to be able to plan for that in advance. Review your expenses. Make a list of your regular expenses, such as rent or mortgage payments, bills, and groceries. Knowing how much you are spending and learning your money trends is a great skill to have. It's a good idea to categorize your expenses in different ways, one being essential or luxury. This will give you a list of things that you can cut back on if you need to, and how much you will save by doing so. Create a budget. Use your expected income and expenses to create a budget that will help you save money during your maternity leave. I like to use a zero-based budget. Go month by month and see how it works out. Look at your income for that month and portion out the money as necessary. This will give you an important glance into the future of your finances and the situations you may find yourself in during maternity leave. Save in advance. If possible, try to save as much money as you can before going on maternity leave to help cushion the financial impact. The earlier you start planning and prepping, the easier you will find it. There is no magic number you will be aiming for. Just aim to get yourself into a strong and stable financial position now, and it will help further down the road. Look into government benefits. The UK offers a number of benefits for families, including child benefit and maternity allowance. Find out what you're eligible for and how you can apply. Then make a note of it and apply as soon as you can, even if it seems too early to be doing so. Talk to your employer. If you are returning to work after your maternity leave, discuss your plans with your employer and see if you can negotiate a flexible work schedule or reduced hours to help manage your expenses. Find ways to save on childcare. Childcare costs can be a significant expense for families. Look into options such as shared care with a partner, a nanny share, or a childminder to find the most cost-effective solution. See if you can work something out with friends that have young children or your parents. Perhaps you can find a solution that helps everyone out. Take advantage of discounts. Many retailers offer discounts for families, such as at restaurants or on entertainment. Take advantage of these discounts to save money. Keep track of your spending. Use a budgeting app or keep a detailed record of your spending to help you stay on track and make sure you're sticking to your budget. Budgets are not something you set and leave alone. It's a good idea to review step 1 and 2 from time to time. It's also hard to predict what you will be spending before you have children, so it may be well worth looking back at your predictions and adjust your budget as necessary. Consider additional ways to bring in income, such as by taking on freelance work or selling items you no longer need. There are loads of ways to make money from home or online now. Check out the video over here that will give you some side hustle ideas that are super flexible and work around you. To calculate how much you need to save for maternity leave, follow these steps. Determine your expected income. Calculate how much you'll be earning during your maternity leave, including the statutory pay or employer-provided maternity leave pay. Review your expenses. Make a list of all your regular expenses, such as rent, mortgage, bills, and groceries, and estimate how much you will be spending each month. Calculate your savings goal. Subtract your expected income from your expenses to determine how much you need to save each month to cover your expenses during maternity leave. Determine how many months you'll be on maternity leave and multiply your savings goal by that number to determine your total savings amount needed. If your savings goal seems unrealistic, look back for ways to cut your expenses or find additional sources of income to help you reach your goal. Use an app or a spreadsheet to track your progress towards your savings goal and make adjustments as needed to stay on track. For more money management tips, check out the video over here. Please leave a like if you found this video helpful and don't forget to share it with any friends that might benefit too. I hope to catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching.